Red soda. That's what I'll be drinking as I get ready to ride the Yacht Club. Strawberry soda. Yes, strawberry soda from the Yacht Club. Yeah, we're winding down the Yacht Club. We still have some more Yacht Clubs to try. Of course, I was sent a case of 12. Thank you very much for sending that once again. I forgot who exactly sent it, but it was one of the wonderful things I unboxed during this awful pandemic period. Hopefully soon we'll be getting baseball back. And oh no, now they're saying the swine flu is coming. The media, when they heard swine flu is coming, everyone was going, yeah! More panic. Power to the media, shaking up the media. The media says this is the reason we call it the news. Nothing, no news, all day. This is the reason we call it the news. 24/7 News tells you what to do, what to drink, what to think. And you better stay inside because the air may kill you. Dun, dun, dun. We're never going to live our lives again, are we? And of course, this new swine flu, where is it coming from? China! It's like an endless cycle. It's just 2020. But wait, there's more! Incredible. Anyway, let's see what strawberry soda tastes like. Dun, dun, dun. Na na dun 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, 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 dun. Na 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 na. Sort of tastes like strawberry. Gonna give it a 7.6.